Which disease is known as the disease of kings? Gout, arthritis, or diabetes? Right answer: gout. Which organ is mainly affected by hepatitis? Kidney, liver, or lung? Correct answer: B, liver. Which virus causes AIDS? Options are HPV, HIV, or HCV. HIV virus. What disease is known as the silent killer? Migraine, asthma, or hypertension? Hypertension is the silent killer. Which disease is spread by Anopheles mosquitoes? Malaria. Which mineral deficiency causes goiter? A, iron, B, iodine, or C, calcium? Answer B, iodine. What disease is caused by high blood sugar levels? Diabetes, psoriasis, or ulcer? Diabetes. Which disease affects the joints? A, pneumonia, B, cataract, or C, arthritis? Correct answer: C, arthritis. Which disease is transmitted through contaminated water? Cholera, chickenpox, or tuberculosis? Cholera. What disease affects the heart muscles? Cardiomyopathy, dermatitis, or gastritis? Cardiomyopathy. Which disease affects the heart lining? Arthritis, pericarditis, or asthma? Answer B, pericarditis. Which disease weakens the bones? Osteoporosis, jaundice, or bronchitis? Osteoporosis. Which disease causes memory loss? Options are A, malaria, B, arthritis, or C, Alzheimer's? Alzheimer's. What disease occurs from vitamin C deficiency, rickets, anemia, or scurvy? Correct answer: C, scurvy. Which infection mainly affects the lungs? A, UTI, B, pneumonia, or C, otitis? B, pneumonia. What disease is spread by Aedes mosquitoes? A, rabies, B, measles, or C, dengue? Answer C, dengue. Which disease is known as mad dog disease? A, typhoid, B, rabies, or C, mumps? Rabies. Which disease is known for butterfly-shaped facial rash? Jaundice, flu, or lupus? Lupus. Which disease causes shaking due to low dopamine levels? Hepatitis, Parkinson's disease, or diabetes? Parkinson's disease. Which disease is known as the kissing disease? Typhoid, measles, or mononucleosis? Mononucleosis. What disease affects the kidneys? Pneumonia, nephritis, or dermatitis? Nephritis. Which disease is characterized by chronic cough? Tuberculosis, arthritis, or mumps? Tuberculosis. Which disease is caused by vitamin D deficiency, cholera, flu, or rickets? Rickets. What disease is caused by the varicella virus? Chickenpox, typhoid, or measles? Chickenpox. Which disease causes sudden facial paralysis? A, arthritis, B, Bell's palsy, or C, malaria? Bell's palsy. Which disease leads to paralysis? A, polio, B, ulcer, or C, anemia? Answer A, polio. Which disease causes skin inflammation? dermatitis, meningitis or bronchitis. Dermatitis. What disease results from iron deficiency? A. Gastritis. B. Autism or C. Anemia. Answer C. Anemia. Which disease mainly affects the nervous system, asthma, meningitis or arthritis? Meningitis. Which disease is caused by Clostridium tetani, tetanus, typhoid or influenza? Tetanus. Which disease turns the white of the eyes blue? Jaundice, glaucoma or osteogenesis imperfecta? Osteogenesis imperfecta. What disease causes yellowing of the eyes? Jaundice, malaria or asthma? Jaundice. Which disease is caused by a fungal infection? Rabies, dengue or ringworm? Correct, it's ringworm. Which disease damages the liver? A. Ulcer. B. Cirrhosis or C. Flu? Answer B. Cirrhosis. Which disease is caused by deficiency of vitamin A? Mumps, night blindness or prostatitis? Night blindness. Which disease affects the thyroid gland? Hyperthyroidism, arthritis or pneumonia? Hyperthyroidism. Which disease is associated with seizures? Epilepsy, typhoid or bronchitis? Epilepsy. Which disease is caused by Salmonella bacteria? Typhoid, cancer or asthma? Typhoid. Which disease makes a person unable to digest gluten? Celiac disease, anemia or ulcer? Celiac disease. Which disease causes blood infection? Rabies, septicemia or anemia? Septicemia. Which disease causes rapid aging in children? Asthma, mumps or progeria? Answer C. Progeria. Which disease is known as pink eye, glaucoma, conjunctivitis or jaundice? Correct answer B. Conjunctivitis. Which disease causes rapid heartbeat? Colitis, tachycardia or measles? Tachycardia. Which disease causes breathing difficulty? Asthma, mumps or dengue? Easy, it's asthma. Which rare disease makes skin extremely sensitive to sunlight? Eczema, porphyria or scabies? Porphyria. Which disease causes excessive bleeding? A. Hemophilia, B. Fever or C. Psoriasis? Answer A. Hemophilia. Which genetic disorder creates thick mucus in lungs? Cystic fibrosis, pneumonia or dengue? Cystic fibrosis. Which disease is caused by HPV? Diabetes, cervical cancer or asthma? Cervical cancer. Which disease spreads through cough and droplets? Rickets, arthritis or influenza? Correct answer C. Influenza. Which disease mainly affects lymph nodes? Lymphoma, ulcer or asthma? Lymphoma.